Hey guys, we're out here today on Green Lake. It's a beautiful negative 28 degrees out here on a Saturday. We're out here with Shwackem Outdoors. He's sitting in his ice house. We got a few gut stores out, an underwater camera, seeing what we can pick up today. So we'll pick up the camera when we find something else.
He's like,
show him the camera, dude. He's staring.
He's like right in
Yeah,
front
you
of
gotta give him the camera footage.
I don't think you can really see.
Hold on, I can't.
Oh, it's like right at me.
He took it. Got him.
Oh, what?
That's going on the video.
What was that? What was that? Oh, boys. Ah!
Look at that Mondo.
Look at that stud. Not quite a keeper, but...
Keeper.
Are you sure?
No, we're not keeping.
I'm out here slaying sunnies.
Oh, he's right on it. He is right on it. I can see him.
Are you still filming?
Got him.